Welcome to the SolarEdge Nexis 3-phase inverter wiring guide. In this video, we'll walk you through the correct procedure for wiring the SolarEdge Nexis 3-phase inverter. You'll learn how to connect the AC and DC wiring, communication interfaces, and prepare the inverter for system commissioning. Before starting, ensure you have all the required tools and materials. Make sure the P10 switch is at the 0 position. Turn off AC circuit breaker, battery power, DC circuit breaker, isolator if installed. Let's overview the inverter's interfaces: DC ports, communication terminals, AC terminals, on-off switch, antenna. Remove the black insulating cup from the communications connection port and remove the black insulating cup from the AC terminal block port. Connect the PE ground cable either on the left side or the right side of the inverter. Make sure the ground cable is secured. Strip the AC cable wires as shown. Thread the AC cable through the gland and its sealing rubber, and then into the black insulating cup. Insert the AC wires in the correct locations. Make sure that each wire is securely connected. Refit the AC cover cup and secure with the T15 screw. Tighten the screw to a torque of 2,7 Newton meters. Now let's connect the communications. Use the label as a reference. Please note the following connection workflow. Connect the RS4-851 to the meter or backup interface, the 12-volt for the backup interface, CAN for battery, CAN or RS4852 for multi-inverter, MSD for manual shutdown button, RRCR or 14A. Don't remove the white termination resistors unless needed. For a wired connection, connect the Ethernet cable to the RJ45 LAN port. Connect a meter via RS485 or SolarEdge Home Network as needed. Refit the comms cover cup and secure with the T15 screw. Tighten to torque of 2,7 Newton meters. Connect the DC plus and DC minus wires from the PV strings to any input MC4 plus and minus pair. You can connect the PV and battery into any available MC4 pair. This completes the wiring procedure for the SolarEdge Nexis 3-phase inverter. Ensure all connections are tightened, labeled, and comply with installation requirements before proceeding. To continue the installation process, watch the next videos where you'll learn how to finalize commissioning. Thank you for watching.